Hello all, welcome to my channel. I want to give a disclaimer before I start in. This video is not a financial advice. We're not recommending you to buy a stock or an option. This is only my journal and my analysis and a way to track my trades. Alright, today is Tuesday, June 9th. We're picking stocks for tomorrow, especially options. I already scanned my watch list. I have a very huge watch list. I scanned them based on the volume, today's volume. We already seen NVIDIA yesterday. Now today, let's look at it. Tesla. That's a beautiful graph right there. I see that the Tesla is trying to go down. Even today, you can see here, it almost breached the 390 line. Probably multiple times. And it's trying to move towards this support right here, which is 371. That's a $25 drop on Tesla. Every indicator looks fantastic. So let's check the options. Now before we move on, this is our criteria for options. Delta should be 0.45 or close to 0.45. Gamma should be very close to 0.08. Theta should be negligible. Usually it should be up to 18. Vega 40%. ATR 2 to 5%. Obviously spread width is $5 in this case. And 14-day options. Let us check. We are trying to put puts. I go choose my 14-day, which falls under 15 DTE, and we are expecting Tesla to go down 390. So as soon as it reaches the 390 mark, we're going to enter. So 390 to 385. Let's check 390 to 385. Okay, Tesla puts 390 to 385. So we have our delta 42. Delta 42 looks good. Our theta, so let's go check again. Our 390, our theta is 52. This is a bit risky because that's time decay. Usually a stock like Tesla will have a time decay that long because it's highly volatile. So I don't mind that. And the gamma is also very good. So let's check 1370 minus 985. 1370 minus 985 is 385. So our option is 385. So let's go. We're looking for Tesla. Stock price right now is 396.88. We're looking for put spreads. Our strikes 390 to 385. We enter at 390. If it breaches the 390 mark, our expiry is June 24. Option cost 385. Our potential profit is $5. The actual profit is $1.25, $1.15 into 100. Obviously, let's show the actual profit. We'll see when on June 24th where the option comes, and let's see if the outcome is favorable to us. So I'm gonna copy the image and paste it here. So we're good with Tesla. Now let's check AVGO, Broadcom. This stock wants to go down too, but let's check any stock that wants to go upside. Microsoft, beautiful graph again. The moment this breaches this, it's looking to go down to 372. Microsoft was falling all the while. You can see here it just found some support and going up, but I don't think so that's gonna sustain. Going down. ABT we have checked yesterday. Today is just forming the support line. Tomorrow I'm sure it's gonna breach the 91 line. We already checked circle. Circle is also going down. You can see here. We already checked coin. Coin also a beautiful graph right here. Is trying to go down and reach the 137 mark. So it looks like we don't have upside potentials one. So I'm gonna do my analysis on AVGO. So let's see. AVGO looks all good. All indicators perfectly aligned. So let's try it down. AVGO. Stock price right now is 392.16. By the way, on Tesla we can go long too, like 390 to 380, because the stock has the potential to go down, but our options price increases. So I don't want to risk anything that's more than $500, because it's just options. They have faster decay. So I'm okay to take this profit if the stock stays way below 385, and that's a good thing for us. So 392.16 on the type again, put spread or strikes and entry. So where do we enter the stock? So right now you see here this long wick, it already breached the 370. So the low was 370, but my goal is 385. So as soon as it breaches the 385 mark, I'm going to enter the trade. So 385 is my entry point. I also look at the strikes, 385 to and below. So let's go. Options. Again, our goal is 15 DT. This option has more DT. So the longer the time you have, the better the options option price would be. But I like to go very aggressive. So usually I go 14 DT to 13 DT. So I see here this is a good option here for 15 DT. We're looking puts. Our entry is 385. So 385 to 380, 385 to 380. Oh, this option's very expensive. If you can see here, it's $14.15 if I buy this, and $8.50. So let's go check. 14.15 minus. So this spreads is you buy one and you sell one. So I'm buying the 385 and then selling the 380, which is 850, which is 565, which falls above my limit, because we're trying to gain the maximum $5. But you can see here this ATR, this stock can move $23 in a day, is what the graph tells us. Just because there's a gap right here doesn't mean that every day it's going $23. But even if I go for a 385 to 375, so let's check where it's landing. 322 is where it's landing, or worst case it's gonna land at 349, 350. So we can go and expand for $10 more, say June 13. June 13 options are cheaper than the 13 June 22 options are cheaper. So we can enter as soon as 385, 1245 to 375, but they don't have strikes. Alright, 375, 645. So 385, 1245 and 645, 1245 and 645, 1245 and 645. So exactly $6 spread. $6 is option price. So let me check quickly if I'm doing it right. 1245 and 645. Perfect. So we have the expiry on June 22nd. option cost $6. Potential profit, so let's check our strikes. 385 to 375. Potential profit is $10, so we're gonna make $4 out of that option. So you can buy naked puts, naked calls, it doesn't matter, but that has huge option cost. You can see here, if I just buy the 385 option, it's $1,200, and anything can happen in options. My goal is to minimize the risk. So now I'm gonna copy my graph. I picked AVGO and Tesla, and we're gonna review all of this on Saturday. So Saturday I'm gonna upload a video reviewing all my analysis, whether it went in the direction I want it to be, and tell you the exact profit I'm gonna make. Please do like my video, subscribe. That helps me, that motivates me to record these videos more and more. I hope this helps you. I'm happy to answer any questions, so leave your questions in the comment area below. Thank you.